Question 3a. In the diagram, angle ROTS is 28 degrees, angle VRM 46 degrees. MQ is a tangent to the circle VRSTU at the point arrow. Find angle VUS. To find angle VUS, diagram is reproduced in this form. Now, if we are able to get this angle and you add it to angle S, the sum is 180. Before then, we need this angle to have three angles on a straight line, and this angle is equal to 28 degrees angle in alternate segment. Now that B is 28, if you add 46 to A to B, the sum is 180. That will enable you to get A, and you add A to S, the sum is 180. Let us see to that. As I have explained, B is equal to 28 degrees angles in alternate segments. Now 46 degrees plus A plus B equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles on straight line MRQ. So you have 46 plus A plus 28 now for B equal to 180. To get A, transfer the other two angles to the right hand side. That is 180 degrees minus 46 degrees minus 28 degrees equal to 108 degrees. Now A plus S equal to 180 degrees. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, and A is 106 degrees plus S equal to 180 degrees. S becomes 180 degrees minus 106 degrees, and that is 74 degrees. You are asked to find VUS, which will be represented by S. So therefore, angle VUS is equal to 74 degrees. Question 3b. A cylindrical tin 7 centimeters high is closed at one end. If its total surface area is 462 square centimeters, calculate its radius. Take pi as 22/7. Total surface area of the tin is curved surface area plus area of closed end. If the two ends are closed, you multiply the area of closed end by 2, but only one end is closed. So you have 462 equal to, for the curve you have 2 pi arrow h, and for the area of closed end you have pi arrow square. So you have 462 equal to 2 times pi, which is 22/7, times radius unknown equal to, radius is unknown, times height is 7 plus pi again 22/7 times radius arrow squared. All right, so we have 462 equal to 2 times 22 is 44. This 7 can cancel this 7 because everything here is 110. Because the plus sign now, you have 110 there. So you have 44 arrow plus 22/7 times arrow squared. We need to clear the fractions by multiplying through by 7. This is one term, this is another term, and you have this the last term, so multiply through by 7. So you have 7 times 462 equal to 7 times 44 arrow plus 7 will remove 7, and you have 22 times arrow squared. It is clear that 22 is common. To reduce the coefficient, divide through by 22. Divide this 10 by 22, you have 21. So you have 7 times 21. Divide this by 22, you have 2. So you have 7 times 2 arrow plus arrow squared. If you multiply, you have 147 equal to 14 arrow plus arrow squared. What you have here is quadratic equation. To factorize or use any other method, the right hand side is always 0. So let's transfer 147 in. So you have arrow squared plus 14 arrow minus 147 equal to 0. Let us solve by quadratic formula. This is the formula. Arrow is what you are looking for. So b is 14, coefficient of arrow. C is 1, coefficient of arrow squared. Sorry, a is 1, coefficient of arrow squared, and c, the constant term, is minus 147. So you insert all the values into the formula. When you simplify, you have minus 14 plus minus 14 squared is 196. Minus times minus is plus, and you have 5 times 147, that is 588 over 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So you have minus 14 plus minus. If you add under the square root, you have 784 over 2. You have minus 14. Square root of 784, you have 28 over 2. Because of this term plus minus, you write that expression twice. That is minus 14 minus 28 over 2, or minus 14 plus 28 over 2. That result to minus 42 over 2, or 14 over 2. And if you divide, you have minus 21 or 7. Radius cannot be negative, so arrow is equal to 7.